Kahit ang gilas ka na.
Ang baby namin,
Dulas pa kasi naka-medyas.
Magsi 6 months na yan bukas. Yung baby niyan, 6 months na yan. Ang galing ng tumayo yan. Yan.
Nakapagod na si Lola.
Yan ang gawa ng baby namin.
Siya na naman ginagalingan.
Yan ang gawa ng baby namin. Yan ang gawa ng baby namin.
Nagta ulit yung padera.
Yan ang gawa ng baby namin.
Kinain na yung dalas.
Ay! Dirty yaan. Dirty yaan. Martame.
Marta! Tinitigan mo na naman yung bag mo. Gusto mo yung box mo. Gusto mo to.
Walang pants. Mamaya giginawin ka na naman. Let's read the book. This book title is Hello. What I like. Did you see the baby and the panda? Panda bear. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Look at that. The doggy and the baby can make me cool.
But my best side is you, Mama, you.
Mama and Marta.
Yay.
That's Mama and Marta. Playing ball. Look at that. Papa Alan and Marta. Oh, this is a boy. This is a baby boy. And that's Valkyrie. This orange cat is Valkyrie. It's a cat set.
Ginger.
Sink. Find it. And the picture and the banana. Where's the sink? There. Here's the sink. And then the banana and the picture. Yeah. I know. Next page. Flying high. Oh, there's the birds. Flying high. Ah, that's Papa and Marta May. Look.
Pinakain mo to.
Don't eat that bird. Look. Where are we? Wait. I will read first, okay? Wait. Down. The airplane lands. And then... that's Marta May. She's walking up and down.
Tatagalan.
And my puppy. Ooh. Look, that puppy, Spotty Puppy. The end. Bye. Say bye. The end na.
Ano mo naman yan?
Eating is not allowed. Bye. Bye.